it is time to test our knowledge, and we will be testing it with the help of a project. I will give you two projects after lesson number 3 that help us consolidate the knowledge that we have received up until now. It's very simple, very straightforward, applying the principles that I have taught you in a very systematic way. So I'll read the question for you. You create the answer for yourself, and you can post it in the section below so that we can have a look and we can help you if there are any difficulties in terms of explanations. So I'll just go through the brief because it's for you to solve. So direct material has been given to us, direct labor has been given to us, variable overheads have been given to us, fixed production costs have been given to us at 400,000, and they say that the overheads are absorbed on a per unit basis. I know what my formula is. It's the total of the fixed production costs, overheads rather, divided by the number of units, correct? So investigation has shown that each unit of the product uses 3 kilograms of material and 2 hours of direct labor work. They're clearly telling you that. They want you to produce a standard cost card, which means give them the total of the production cost using absorption costing. So what was the absorption costing formula? Let me recall that. You need to show the working here. If you face difficulties, put your question in the comment section below and we will give you a detailed explanation of the same. Just remember the absorption costing way I explained. The direct material plus the direct labor plus the variable overheads plus the fixed production overheads per unit gives you my total absorption cost. How will I find it? That is your job. That is for you to arrive and put it in the section below so that I can correct it, so that I can give you a deeper explanation if the need be. This is project number 1 for you. While you are solving project number 1, make sure you identify the key areas, which means assume or look at, try to find out what the direct material cost is, what the direct labor cost is, what the variable overheads are, what is the total number of units, because these are the important information that you will need. You need to show us the working, you need to show us how you arrive at a particular answer. That is what we want, and that is the skill that you must develop as a finance professional, as a management professional in today's dynamic world. So I'm looking forward to your answers and your workings. After project number 1, we are on to project number 2. Project number 2 is along the similar lines. Project number 1 tested your absorption costing knowledge. Project number 2 will test your marginal costing knowledge. If you see the material or the information is exactly the same, the cost has been given, the fixed production has been given, the per unit data has been given, 3 kilograms and 2 labor hours. The total number of units is given, which is 20,000. The only difference is in the requirement. So over here you need to produce a standard cost card using marginal costing. So in remembering the marginal costing principles, you must present your workings here, and I want to see if you can arrive at an answer. I want to see the workings. If you face any difficulties, again, put your question in the comments section below. We will give you a detailed explanation, but it's important that you try out your knowledge that you have gained so far.